Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control the notifications on your PlayStation 4 and turn on or off specific ones. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to notifications and select this. Then we can press options under this menu and we can see our uploads and our downloads. We can delete notifications under here and we can go to delete all, and this will delete them from this section. Now we can press options and then we can go to notification settings, where we can go to the pop-up notifications, the first option, and we can choose which notifications we want to allow on our PlayStation 4. So I have block scene for video recording. I have this on check mark, so I don't see that when I go into options menus or when I start the game or something like that. And then also when I have a new follower, and I believe I have the same thing for activities and friend requests. So I don't see those pop-up notifications. So you might want to do this for messages or something like that, or you can disable them all by uncheck marking on the top. Then you might want this one check mark, disable pop-ups while playing videos. So I have that one. Then you can change the pop-up color from white to black. Then you can display the message in the notification, check mark right here, or uncheck mark it. Then when friends go online, if we select this, we can choose to see which friends come online on our PlayStation 4, and this will reflect in the app. Just check mark their name. Then go to confirm, and when they come online, you'll get a pop-up notification. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.